Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to settings, then go to the display section, and here you have reading mode. And this is basically just a night mode. You can switch it here. You can select its classic mode or the paper mode. Yeah, and you can also add a schedule for it. You can select a custom time period, or you can just set it to good night's read, so it will only be enabled at night. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.